जो डिले की एप्लीकेशन है उसमें कोई
by
explanation ही
1166 by 1160 days. After the Supreme Court order, which ended on 28th of February 2022.
नहीं। आपकी लिमिटेशन कब एक्सपायर हुई थी?
Before that, I had heart surgery. Then after
आपकी लिमिटेशन कब एक्सपायर हुई थी?
it expired on 28th of February practically. 28th of February 2022. When the
ओरिजिनल ऑर्डर
original then 15 days from 13th of March. It ended on 28th of March.
13th March 2020.
Yes, 2020. It ended on, they had given me 2 weeks time and COVID had just started.
नहीं,
और उसी समय ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आदेश आ गया लिमिटेशन एग्जम्पशन का,
हाँ, तो
which continued up to 28th of February.
कब तक चला?
28 फरवरी 2022 तक.
28 फरवरी 2022
22 तक.
उसके बाद क्या?
उससे पहले 18 तारीख को मुझे एडमिट होना पड़ा, मेरी हार्ट की सर्जरी हो गई.
कब तक चली वो?
वो अब सर्जरी हफ्ता भर चली, बट माय ओन.
बेड रेस्ट कब तक चला?
Pardon, sir?
सर्जरी के बाद बेड रेस्ट कब तक चला आपका?
There was no bed rest. There was no bed rest. But my own capacity building was at stake. My own physical and monetary things were dwindled at that time. It took me 2 years to get out of that mess.
Years can't be.
It took me 2 years to get out of the mess. And then I have to appear physically every time for Jabalpur, since I am doing it
इस
personally.
कोर्ट में वर्चुअल आप अपेयर हो सकते हैं कहीं से भी. यू कैन अपेयर वर्चुअली फ्रॉम एनीवेयर.
But filing, then curing of defects, all these things are required. And in 22, 24,
Even if we excluded till 28th February 2022,
yes.
still no explanation for over 3 years delay.
Only my capacity building was also at stake.
What is capacity building?
Capacity building monetarily and physically.
3 years.
It took me 2 years, not 3 years, it took me 2 years.
When did you file this petition?
I filed it on 22nd of August. Before that,
2025.
yes.
Even if 2 years from February 2022 ended
Then
in February
1 year treatment is by severe knee joint problem. Those documents are also on record.
This is not an explanation.
And other than that, the issue concern is that even after 8 years, when I had filed the petition in 2020, the violation was after 3 years. Now it is 8 years, and the issues are still live. And these issues have not been taken up before any other court in the country, and not even in the Supreme Court. The violation still persists. Violation of section 32 and 33.
Seeking in the writ petition. Writ petition में मांग क्या रहे हैं आप?
Pardon?
What are you seeking in the writ petition?
Again,
Restoration मांग रहे, there is nothing in the writ petition.
in the writ petition, it is a violation of Article 32 and 33.
How is it violation of Article 32?
32 and 33.
32 is writ to the Supreme
Can
Court.
I read?
Writ to the Supreme Court.
What is it?
Violation of Article 32. Article 32
No, Article 32 of RERA Act, not any other act.
is not article, is section. In any case, now everybody is aware of RERA Act. Your prayer is make people aware of RERA Act. They're all aware of RERA Act.
No, not RERA Act. I'm coming on the other.
Anyway, this is 8 years old. Take whatever steps.
I may be permitted to read the clauses which have not been in.
Awareness of RTI Act, awareness of RERA Act, people are aware of it.
People are aware.
Please come to the prayers in your petition.
No, in RERA Act, people are still not aware.
If
There's a lot of vacuum in this state. I'll raise the other issues which have not been taken up by the authority. Article 32 says creation of a single window system for ensuring time-bound project approvals and clearances for timely.
All that is happening. You are probably, since you were in capacity building, you have overlooked development which has taken place in RERA Act and the awareness of the people. You were busy 3 years in capacity building. If you were not busy, then we can't restore your petition, and you were aware of what was happening. You should have filed your restoration application. You are saying 3 years you were incapacitated, not 3 years. 6 years you were incapacitated and in the process of capacity building. So you are not aware of how much development. Every day we are having matters of RERA listed. RERA appellate authority, they're all taking action.
My lord, I am aware of the developments, since I am also partly into providing my services to the builders. I am very much aware of it. Partly I am into this line.
Sorry, there is no explanation.
Partly I am into this line, and I have submitted this petition through a research-based study, and not कि मैं एक दिन चल के आ गया कि मैंने याचिका लगा दी.
This was filed. When did you file this petition?
2020.
तो तब से अब तक बहुत फर्क हो चुका है रेरा एक्ट में आरटीआई एक्ट.
My lord, my experience is के हालात बहुत खराब हैं.
अगर
I will come out with the other issues. This could be the first issue. I will come out with other issues.
People are aware of it. The prayers you are seeking can't be granted like this. Make people aware of RERA Act.
There is no single, that is in Article 33. I'm talking about primarily 32. There is no single window system has been created. Creation of a transparent and robust grievance redressal is okay. Measures to encourage investment in the real estate sector, including measures to increase financial assistance to affordable housing projects. It is zero. They have not even touched this subject. हमें कुछ करना भी है. Next point. Measures to encourage construction of environmentally sustainable and affordable housing, promoting standardization and use of appropriate construction materials. It has not been implemented. Measures to encourage grading of projects and promoters.
Mr. Naswa, this is a, what is your profession?
I'm into consultancy.
Into
Consultancy.
construction.
Consultancy, private enterprise consultancy.
What kind of consultancy?
I'm providing my consultancy to the builders for their licensing, for their government approvals, and partly the RERA registration.
So you have not been providing this consultancy services for last 6 years.
Since the inception of this law.
You have not been provided or you have been provided?
No, I am providing to my clients.
पिछले 6 साल से कर रहे हैं काम?
2016 से 17 से ही कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, जब आपकी सर्जरी हुई उसके बाद से तो बंद.
नहीं, उससे पहले भी कर रहा हूँ, अभी भी कर रहा हूँ.
उसके बाद बंद कर दिया था आपने?
नहीं, बंद नहीं किया, थोड़ा अपने आप को तो वापस लाइन पे लाने.
We can't entertain your application for condonation of delay. We are dismissing the application. Consequently,
or I may be, my lord, 1 second. I may be allowed to file a fresh petition on this.
When for 6 years you've been providing consultancy services to the builders, this clearly is a motivated petition. And for 6 years, there's no question of capacity building. If you are providing them consultancy service, you could have always sought for restoration. There's no explanation for 6 years delay.
Issues are still live, which is documented by the government, by the authorities that they have not done. I have assessed the documents under RTI; those are also on record. I can read those.
Taking RTI applications.
नहीं, the reply by the authority is on page number 30 and 31.
आपने RTI application भी दी थी ना?
हाँ जी, जुलाई में लगाई थी, उसका जवाब आया.
जुलाई कौन से साल के?
जुलाई 2024 में.
You were fit, no capacity building, everything.
नहीं, capacity थी.
Sorry.
सितंबर में घुटनों ने जवाब दे दिया. He is also on record.
और consultancy तो दे ही रहते ना 6 साल से.
मुझे उसे स्पीड में नहीं करता था.
इनकम टैक्स फाइल कर, रिटर्न फाइल करते हैं हर साल की करी फाइल.
सब पिछले 15-20 सालों से कर रहा हूँ.
और पिछले 6 सालों में कितनी इनकम थी?
ठीक ठाक है.
ठीक ठाक थी.
कम हुई है लेकिन
टैक्सेबल थी.
सर्जरी के बाद कम हो गई.
टैक्सेबल थी. टैक्स जमा किया.
टैक्स है कटता है.
टैक्स जमा करते हैं ना. Now, by this application, petitioner seeks condonation of delay, seeks restoration. Of the petition that was dismissed by a preemptory order dated 30/3/2020. The petition has been filed after 1974 days as per the office report. The period as excluded by since the period of limitation expired during the COVID period, the registry has calculated the exemption granted by the Supreme Court in suo motu 3 of petition 3 of 2020 and observed that there is and given a credit of 718 days to the petitioner for the said period, and thereafter noticed that the petition is barred by 1256 days. No, is barred by 1166 days. In the application seeking condonation of delay, petitioner has mentioned that on 18/2/2022, he had suffered a mild heart attack and thereafter was admitted in hospital and angioplasty surgery was carried out, and he was discharged on 22/2/2022. Petitioner contends that thereafter Operation Blues carried on till mid-2023 and he was incapacitated both physically and financially. And due to his old age, how old are you?
I'll be completing 65 next month.
he could not approach the court. Thereafter, it is stated that in mid of 2024, he suffered severe knee joint pain. Have you had knee replacement or what?
No, it's a new joint pain. Treatment
And had to
continues.
undergo
Treatment is still continuing, but
and
now
had to undertake treatment and undergo physiotherapy, on account of which delay took place in filing the present. On account of it, delay took place in filing the present petition. Para. On question by the court, petitioner states that he is a consultant and provides consultancy services to various construction agencies and builders. And he concedes that in the last 6 years, he's continued with his profession and has also been filing income tax returns and paying tax. The above observation clearly shows that petitioner was not prevented from approaching the court and taking steps for restoration of the petition. A full stop. Petitioner has even annexed copies of RTI application and reply received, which shows that petitioner was conscious and actively participating in the legal process. Further, we may note that in the subject petition, which is styled as a PIL, petitioner is seeking a direction to the respondents to create general awareness about the real estate, primarily seeking general awareness of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, as also the Right to Information Act 2005. We are of the view that petitioner has failed to sufficiently explain the delay in filing the restoration application. We are not satisfied with the explanation rendered